Good afternoon to all participants. On behalf of the Academy, I welcome you all to day 34 of the Appendix 3 session. The topic for the day is bookkeeping, non-trading concerns. Take you through the topic. We are privileged to have Sri G. Vijay Kumar Garu, faculty EFIP. Good afternoon, sir, and welcome to the session.
Yeah.
For the next 90 minutes. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Subramanian. I will start from where I left last class. I don't know whether you all who were there in the last class, whether they are in this class. So someone wanted me to do the balance sheet part of it, so I could not do in the last class. So I'll just give you a little bit idea about it so that you'll understand what exactly I'm telling. So if I do it on the board, you'll be able to understand more clear. You are all given. Just listen. I hope you are able to see this. Yeah. You can see, I doubt. Now, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4th part you are not seeing, I think. Let me see. We give you receipts and payments. This is receipts and payments account is given. These are all of your receipts. These are all your payments. From the receipts and payments, you have to prepare income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account. And balance sheet at the end of the year. Or closing. This is a closing balance sheet. You may have to sometimes prepare the opening balance sheet. Balance sheet opening. These are the things. From the receipts and payments, you have to prepare income and expenditure, balance sheet at the end of the year, and opening balance. So I just give you a small idea how to remember all your receipts. Whatever is there in the receipts, it always starts with say to balance brought out. This opening cash and this what? By balance calendar. It ends, starts with opening cash and ends with closing cash. All your receipts, either they will come here, or they'll come here, or they'll come here. This is a small technique for you to remember. From the receipts, either all your receipts will come in the income side, or closing balance sheet liability side, or opening. That means what I want you to understand is, these receipts will be income. Only current years will come here. Anything of last year will come here. Anything of next year will come here. Little idea. I mean, 90% you are done with it. All your receipts which are there on the receipt side, either they'll come in the last year. Normally 90% they'll come to the current year. To buy. If they do not come here, they'll come in the liability side or opening asset side. Similarly, all your payments, either they will come to the expenditure side or closing asset side or opening liability. This technique, if you can remember, is like a chart. I want all of it. I hope you are able to see. These receipts will come either income side or closing liability or opening asset. These payments either opening liability or income expenditure side or closing. This is a small chart for you to remember. Now, for example, from the following, prepare income and expense. This we have already done it. Just to get an idea, So two subscriptions will come. If you see two subscriptions will come by subscriptions. Two donations, there's adjustment is there. What he says, capitalize 50% of the donations, he says. So what you have to do? So what you have to do? Two donations, you take 50% here and 50% to the liability side. Two life memberships. If it doesn't come here, it will come here. Two life membership by life. If it doesn't come here, life membership is a capital expenditure, it will come here. So two income from sports by income from sale. Two Sunday receipts by Sunday receipt. Two sale of old newspaper by sale. So all the twos will come to the buy. If they don't come here, they'll come here or here. Only if they say capitalize, it will come here. Anything of next year, it will come. Anything of the last. So receipts and payments can be for current year, last year, and next year. Only in the income and expenditure we need for the current year. So something like this. So for example, buy buildings. Buy buildings cannot come in the expenditure side because it's an asset. So if it buy buildings, it should have two bit. If not here, it will come here. So buy furniture, it will not come here. It will come to the closing. Buy sports material, it will not come here. It will come here. Then buy sports expenses will come here. Buy newspapers, two newspapers. Buy land maintenance, two land. So something like this. I just made a small chart. I hope you'll understand. We'll do one problem. All of you keep your doubts ready. After the class is over, I will clear all your doubts. Good. Been done, ready, good. So next you take. So this we have already done. I told you how to take it. Yeah? Then now you take this problem. Two balance brought down opening cash. So he is asking second order check gives you the following receipts and payments per year ended. He says what? Prepare. I will do this for you to understand. Receipts and payments is given, all of you can see on the, you're able to see, I think, I hope. So I will prepare. Yes. This is your opening balance sheet. This is your income and expenditure account. Opening balance sheet. Don't need this. This is enough. I hope you are able to see. We'll see. This is your income and expenditure account for the year ended. This is your balance sheet closing. As on what date? As on 31st March 20. This will be balance sheet as on 31st March 19 or 1st April 19. Opening balance sheet, closing balance sheet. So true balance brought down on 1st April. That's called opening cash. Opening cash will always come in the opening balance sheet. Asset side mein aa jayega. Opening balance sheet will come where? Opening balance sheet will come in the opening. So you write here opening balance sheet में asset side में लिखना. cash. I told you, all the receipts either they'll come here or they'll come to the income side or liability side. Opening cash always will come in the opening balance sheet asset side. Cash. इधर लिख दो 3,000. उसके बाद बोलता है two subscriptions. The main income for a non-trading concern is what? Subscription. So two subscriptions हम क्या लिखेंगे? इधर लिखेंगे by subscriptions लिख देंगे. By subscriptions is how much? 14,000. Two subscription by subscription inner column में लिखेंगे, उसको थोड़ा adjustments होंगे. Two subscriptions by subscriptions लिख देंगे. Two interest on investments बोला. So हम क्या लिखेंगे? Interest on investments इधर लिखेंगे by interest on investments. Interest on investments. कितना interest on investments is how much? Here 4,000. उसका भी adjustment है. Inner column में लिखेंगे 4,000. So two interest on deposits. So two interest on deposits हम लिखेंगे by interest on deposits. कितना है? 2,500. It's your income. 2,500. Income में है. So two entrance fees. Entrance fees क्या बोलते हैं? Problem में adjustment में बोला है. If you can see the adjustment, it says what? Half of the entrance fees has to be capitalized. So two entrance fees हम क्या लिखेंगे इधर? By entrance fees लिख दो. लेकिन don't take full amount. Two entrance fees 800. So by entrance fees आप लिख दो 400. So two entrance fees 400 here. इधर आ जाएगा on the liability side. Entrance fees again 400 on the liability side. Okay, this part I want to run. Two entrance fees, by entrance fees आधा इधर ले लो, आधा actually you can add it to the capital fund और उसको separate भी दिख सकते हो. You can either add it to the capital fund or show as a separate item on the liability side. That I'll explain you once again. Don't worry. So I told you all the buy salaries will come as what? Two salaries. All the buy items will come on the debit side. Two salary how much? 11,000 is there. Right in the inner column 11,000. Then buy rent is there. Any adjustment is there for rent? There's no adjustment for rent. No is there. Salaries in outstanding for the no rent. So buy rent you write 2 rent. No adjustment, it will go directly to the outer column and it go. Buy rent 2 rent 400 बस ऐसा आ जाएगा. उसके बाद buy repairs है. Buy repairs you write here and what? 2 repairs. उसका भी adjustment नहीं है. No adjustment for repairs. So buy repairs 2 repairs. All revenue expenses will come in. उसके बाद बोलता है buy gym equipment pieces. What? Buy gym equipment is an asset. So ये इधर में आएगा. In the closing balance sheet you write here gym equipment. उसका adjustment है will come back to it. I'll tell you afterwards. Buy investments. Investments इधर नहीं आएगा. Investments भी you write in the closing balance sheet. उसका भी adjustment है LTG. So buy investment. Buy balance carried down on 31st March 2020. So 31st March, opening cash always will come in the opening asset side and closing cash will come in the closing asset side. Please remember, opening cash, opening asset side, closing cash, closing asset side, 4,500. ये हो गया तुम्हारा receipts and payments का जो भी item है, what all items are there? Few items have come here, few items have come here like this. All the receipts will come either opening asset side or income or liability, and the payments will come on the opening liability or expenditure side or closing asset. हमने डाल दिया. अभी देखो adjustment में क्या बोल रहा है? He says what? Subscription received included 1,000 of the previous year. So I want you to all of you understand this is income and expenditure account for the year. This is called for the year ending. For the year ending 31st March 20 होगा. So this subscription 14,000 में क्या बोल रहा है? It included 1,000 of the previous year. Anything of the last year. Last year का क्या करना? Less कर देना. 1,000 of the last year. तो निकाल दो. निकालने के बाद आपको होगा 13,000 आ जाए. 14 minus 1 13,000. Anything of the previous year. Income में अगर previous year का है तो वो निकाल के you should write it in the opening asset side. Previous year का आने का अभी आ रहा है तो previous year आने का क्या होगा? Asset होगा. It would be asset. So on the asset side we write subscriptions outstanding 1,000. Once again I am telling this, anything, any income of the previous year आप इधर माइनस करके ओपनिंग एसेट साइड में दिखाना, बिकॉज लास्ट ईयर का ईयर आ रहा तो लास्ट ईयर आने का क्या होगा, आने का विल बी एन एसेट, अगर आने का है तो एसेट है, अगर देने का है तो इफ यू हैव टू पे एनीथिंग इट्स ले लायबिलिटी. सो प्लीज डू रिमेंबर लाइक दैट, एनीथिंग वी हैव टू गेट फ्रॉम लास्ट ईयर minus it from here and show it as a asset. What you have to get last year we are getting this year, so last year it would have been an asset for us. Then subscription outstanding for the current year, anything for the current year, any item for the current year either income or expenditure, we should write it as what, add outstanding for the current year. How much is this outstanding for the current year? 1500 you add, so it will come 14,500. Once you add it here and second time आप क्या करना है, इधर ऐड करके we should write it on the asset side as well, outstanding subscriptions आगे का है, कितना है outstanding subscription, 1500 is an asset. So this is the point. Then what is a salaries includes 1000 of the previous year. This is what salaries includes 1000 of the previous year. So this is salary. Salary includes of the previous year. So less for last year. Anything of the last year हम क्या करना, माइनस कर देना, कितना 1000 यू माइनस करने के बाद कितना है, इट इज 10,000. सैलरी लास्ट ईयर का ईयर पे कर दे तो लास्ट ईयर क्या का पे करने का था, तो लास्ट ईयर पे करने का रहे तो इट विल कम इन द लायबिलिटी साइड. एनीथिंग ऑफ लास्ट ईयर इनकम receipt here asset side, anything of expenditure last year receipt here and right here salary outstanding हम पे करने का है, we have to still pay, it is a liability. Then and outstanding for the year, anything outstanding what you have to do, anything outstanding what you have to do, add outstanding. How much is outstanding? Figure is 3,000. Add करके you write it here as 13,000. Then we have to say add outstanding and write here outstanding salary on the liability side as what, 3,000. Anyway, I will show you the on this system also, I mean on the slide also, but I am just teaching you how to go about ऐसा करना आपको दिखा. Anything of last year इधर माइनस करके इधर डालना, anything of current year ऐड करके इधर डालना. Similarly last year का लेस करके इधर current year. अगर next year का है बोले तो if it is anything for next year, again you have to less it here and put it in the asset side. If you have received, suppose anything of next year you have received, you less it here, received in advance. So if you do what, last year liability, outstanding correct, last year, next year, less it here and liability. Anything income received in advance for the next year, you minus it here and put it in the liability. Here also anything of next year, if you have paid it, less it here, prepaid and show it on the asset side. So it is all like arrows it will come. Half of the entrances has to be capitalized, we have done it. Then next he says what? Jim has 10% investments of rupees. Jim has what? 10% investments of 50,000 rupees he says. So this Jim is having investment. So invest equipment. Jim has got 10% investment, furniture, equipment worth as on 1st April. So investments कितना है? What is having? Jim is having investment so much. 50,000 you put it in the asset side. Again we are having furniture 1,000, that is also assets and on that date 1,000, and equipment we are having how much? It says all the opening assets will come in the opening balance sheet 10,000. So these are your assets. So you put it here asset. So all the opening assets, एक important है problem. Again those opening assets फिर closing में आ जाएंगे, but closing में कैसा आता बोलते हैं? 10% investments 50,000 worth. These investments are 10% hidden adjustment. 10% 50,000 का आपको कितना interest on every year? You should get 10% 50,000 का 5,000. But we got only 4,000 here. In the problem, interest on investment we got 4,000. So हम क्या करेंगे इधर? Add outstanding बोलेंगे 1,000 rupees. This is called an implied adjustment. वो अगर बोला या नहीं बोला, when we have invested at 10%, we should get 50,000 का 10% is 5,000. We should get 5,000. We have received only 4,000 और 1,000 आने का है. So we write here outstanding interest on investments is 1,000 rupees आने का. This is another adjustment. Okay. Then equipment opening में already we are having how much? 10,000. Equipment opening is 10,000. Again, how much you purchased equipment here? Gym equipment 4,000. Add purchases 4,000. So total gym equipment will be having 14,000. Then investments 10% we are having. Opening we are having how much? 50,000. Again we purchase how much equipment? Invest how much we purchased? Investments 2,000. Add current year's purchases 2,000. So total we are having 52,000. Then furniture we are having 1,000. There's no adjustment for furniture. So we write here just furniture 1,000. Opening 1,000, again closing 1,000. That's all. Now, why we have to do the opening balance sheet? In the earlier problem, what I did, उन्होंने capital fund दे दिया था. The balancing figure is called capital fund. So capital fund होगा 0,005 65,000. You put 65,000 here and write here 64,000 is a capital fund balancing figure. If the capital fund is not given, अगर capital fund नहीं दिया आपको, तो we have to prepare the opening balance sheet. अगर नहीं दिया, if he has not given, we have to do the opening balance sheet. Then capital fund again will come back to the in final accounts you have done last class. Final accounts में हम capital बोलते, इधर हम capital fund बोलते, उधर net profit बोलते, इधर surplus बोलते, उधर net loss बोलते, इधर deficit. क्यों बोलते capital को और capital fund का difference क्या है? Capital will belong to the owner. अगर business close कर दिया तो वो सब बेच के वो पैसा वो capital owner को जाता है. इधर no one is owner. All our members they have subscribed it towards a capital fund. So no one is the owner. So capital fund will come here to the liability side. How much capital fund? 64,000. So we are preparing opening balance sheet to find out the capital fund balancing figure. Now income and expenditure we prepare to find out. So इधर क्या हो आपको 5 plus 5 10 14 5 12 22,400 minus जो भी है 400 but 5 plus 7 12 7,000 will get what to surplus. This surplus will add here. Add surplus how much? 7,000. So you will get how much? 71,000 you get. 71 plus 3 plus 4 74,400 is the balance. इधर भी अपने same आना. 5 by 10 130 some 136 6 12 13 14 74 some 400 rupees हम कुछ इधर लेंगे. इस टोटल में कुछ गलत हो गया. 8 plus 5 13 1 carry 8 10 14 1 carry correct. Buy rent buy repairs 2,400 okay repairs okay. Closing cash 4,500 EBT. Then what is that missing? 400 interest. 400 entrance fees. Entrance fees कितना 800. So 4 plus 4 8 plus 5 13. Buy rent 400. Buy repairs. ठीक है. This year 24,400. ये 4 4 8 8 plus 6 14 130. 6,600 is the surplus. Sorry, here totaling 6,600 means here it will be 600. This will be 70,000. This will be 74,000. 74,000 it tallies. So this is how your final accounts will look like. I mean, in receipts and payments account, income and expenditure agar diya to. So once again we'll do. So he has given body dated 2 balance brought down. Opening cash always will come to the opening asset side. 2 subscription will take as by subscription. 2 interest on investments by interest on investments. 2 interest on deposits by interest. 2 entrance fees by entrance fees. But उसमें क्या बोलता है? Half of the entrance fees are तो 400 income में लेंगे, 400 liability में लेंगे. Buy salaries will be 2 salaries. Buy rent will be 2 rent. Buy repairs will be 2 repairs. Buy gym equipment is an asset. वो नहीं आएगा to, it will come to the asset side. Buy investments will not come to, it will come to the asset side. Buy balance carried and closing cash will not come to the expenditure, it will come to the closing assets. Now just see this. So हमने क्या करा? Correct. Outstanding salaries आ गया इधर liability side, cash in and opening cash, 10% investments, furniture, equipment, subscription. These are all our assets. And this is the, so the balancing figure, either asset 65 hai, liabilities 1000 hai, so assets minus liabilities, we get the capital fund. Balancing figure बोलेंगे, हम क्या बोलेंगे उसको? We tell it as balancing figure. We call it as what? Balancing figure. Next, then income and expense for the year ending. There was two salaries, 11,000 I have taken, add outstanding 3,000, less for last year. उसमें मैं पहले लास्ट ईयर का लेस करो फिर करंट, आइदर वे करंट ईयर का रहे तो ऐड करो, लास्ट ईयर का रहे तो माइनस करो, इधर डालो. बाय रेंट टू रेंट, बाय रिपेयर्स टू रिपेयर्स, हो गया इधर. दैट्स ऑल, और कुछ नहीं. इधर बाय सब्सक्रिप्शन, एनीथिंग फॉर द करंट ईयर ऐड करो, एनीथिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट ईयर लास्ट ईयर लेस करो, एनीथिंग फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर आल्सो लेस करके लायबिलिटी साइड में दिखाना. बिकॉज इनकम रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस इज अ लायबिलिटी, एक्सपेंडिचर पेड इन एडवांस विल बी एन एसेट. Anything for last year less करके opening liability, outstanding add करके closing liability. So this you should understand very clearly. By interest on investments 4,000 आया, but we have to get 5,000. So what we say, outstanding is 1,000, we add it here and show it here. By interest on deposits, we say two interest on two interest, we say by interest, by entrance fees half we have taken here. This is the income and expenditure which have already done it. So total correct. Come to the closing. So closing cash in hand, investments was 50,000. We have added additions. Outstanding subscriptions we have taken here. Then gym equipment opening, additions 4,000. Furniture opening 1,000. Closing also will remain 1,000. Outstanding interest on 1,000. So total 74,000 will come like this. So this is how we have to do. If you go back to this problem, let's just see. So what in this he says two subscriptions. So we write what? Two subscriptions we write, by subscriptions, two donations. But the donation he says what? Capitalize 50% of the donations he says. So we write what? We take donations 50% here and 50% liability. Then two subscriptions, two life membership 3,000. He says half of the donations and half of the life membership should be capitalized. So आधा इधर ले लेना, आधा liability में लेना. उसके बाद आप होगा टू इनकम ऑन स्पोर्ट्स, बाय इनकम ऑन स्पोर्ट्स, टू सनरी रिसीप्ट्स, बाय सनरी रिसीप्ट्स, टू सेल ऑफ ओल्ड न्यूज़पेपर, ऑल द टूस विल कम बाय, एंड बाय बिल्डिंग विल नॉट कम टू बिल्डिंग बिकॉज बिल्डिंग एसेट होगा. देन बाय फर्नीचर विल नॉट कम टू एसेट होगा. बाय स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल विल नॉट कम, इट विल कम टू द एसेट. बाय एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन स्पोर्ट्स, टू एक्सपेंडिचर ऑन स्पोर्ट्स. बाय न्यूज़पेपर्स, टू न्यूज़पेपर्स. बाय लैंड मेंटेनेंस एक्सपेंसेस, टू लैंड. Closing cash will be closing assets. So same thing, देखो, two expenditure on sports, two newspaper, land. I adjustment में क्या बोलता? Provide depreciation on furniture and buildings at 5% and on sports material 10. All your buildings, furniture, sports material के ऊपर depreciation calculate करो, जो भी percentage दिया हो, और expenditure side में लिखो, two depreciation on buildings, on furniture and sports material. फिर इधर ये लिखने के बाद this total minus this total is what? Surplus. Surplus excess of expenditure, income over expenditure transfer to capital fund. ये बिल्डिंग का, ये फर्नीचर का, स्पोर्ट्स मटेरियल का कैपिटलाइजेशन, all that working notes you have done it. Then the capital fund 50% donations का है, 50% life membership, and जो surplus आया वो भी ले लेंगे. This total will be your capital fund. इधर closing cash, outstanding subscription आने का, sports material जो भी है 5,000, उसको क्या करेंगे? Less depreciation, furniture less depreciation, buildings less depreciation with that. So this is how it goes, income and expenditure and balance sheet. Then the earlier problem which I have already done to you, इसमें देखो, इसमें क्या दे दिया? Capital fund दे दिया. Probably if you see from the following income and expenditure and all the information, receipts and payments of prepare income and the balance sheet. He is asking you to prepare the closing balance sheet. Opening balance sheet क्यों नहीं दिया? Because capital fund आपको दे दिया. If you see in the adjustment, कैपिटल फंड 1,33,000 देने से दैट मीन्स यू डोंट हैव टू प्रिपेयर। आपको अगर कैपिटल फंड दिया होगा तो आपको जरूरत नहीं है ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट करने का, आप खाली इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर और क्लोजिंग बैलेंस शीट करना, बिकॉज कैपिटल फंड आपको ऑलरेडी दे चुका। अगर कैपिटल फंड नहीं दिया, इफ ही हैज नॉट गिवन, देन यू हैव टू राइट द ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट like what I did earlier problem, then find out the capital fund, then bring the capital fund to the closing balance. Now, two balance brought down, it will not come anywhere, it will come in the opening balance sheet. We are not opening balance sheet की जरूरत नहीं कि हम तो कैपिटल फंड दे ये ओके, उसकी जरूरत। Two subscriptions we will take, we are doing for which year? 31st March. We are doing for 4 last year. Liability. Then two landlord rent, two land rent. So buy land rent, two income from entertainments, buy income from, two sale of newspaper, buy. These are all your income. Two का buy आ जाएगा. Then buy salaries क्या होगा? Two salaries होगा. Buy general expenses, two general expenses. Buy stationery will be two stationery. Buy books will not come as expenditure. Books is treated as an asset, so it will come back to the closing asset side. Then buy newspapers, you write two newspapers. Buy furniture, you don't write here, it's an asset. Buy balance carried on is closing cash. So someone is having any doubt, we'll just see. Sir, can't visible on left did and below side, okay. Sorry, so मैं explain करेंगे because some people are not able to see left. Can't visible on left and below side. Below का भी नहीं मिल, but I'm doing it in the I'm explaining you. Just see if you can do it. प्रशांत कुमार, आपको मैं इधर आपको एक्सप्लेन कर। सो टू बैलेंस शीट क्या, टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में नहीं आएगा बिकॉज ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट वो कैपिटल फंड दे चुका है, तो यू डोंट प्रिपेयर। तो सब्सक्रिप्शंस का मैं एक्सप्लेन किया, देखो अगर बाई सब्सक्रिप्शंस करंट ईयर का लेना 24,000 लेने के बाद व्हाट यू हैव टू डू हियर, द क्लब हैज 50 मेंबर्स ईच पेइंग एन एनुअल सब्सक्रिप्शंस ऑफ 500। तो हमारे पास 50 मेंबर्स है, 50 मेंबर्स ईच मेंबर 500 पे कर रहा, 15 to 500 हमें 25,000 rupees is our current year income. Hello? Hello? Sorry, so two balance it will come in the opening balance. अभी देखो membership 24,000, the club has got 50 members each paying an annual subscription of 500. 500 into 50 it should be 25,000. देखो इधर ऐसा दिखना है, you have to write like this 25,000 you should write. But we have subscriptions हमारा कितना है 24 है, but each one paying 500 into 50 we should get 25,000. लेकिन हमारे को कितना है 24,000 है, तो 24,000 को हम क्या करेंगे, add outstanding 1,000 करेंगे. This is an implied adjustment, hidden adjustment. आपको ये समझ में आना. For the year we are having 500 members each paying 50, तो हमें 25,000 आना, लेकिन आया 24,000, तो और एक 1,000 आने का है. That 1,000 we again will write it in the closing balance sheet इधर, outstanding इधर लिख, outstanding subscription 1000. So this is how we have to understand subscriptions के बारे में. You have to be very clear. So what you have to understand in the subscription, you take the current year, anything outstanding for the current year add करो, anything of the next year less करो, anything of the last year less करना इधर. In the income side we'll take only the current year. This is one important point. Then all that buy rent, to land rent buy, to income by income. So all that will come see either to buy, to land by land, to income from by income, to sale of by sale. So ये income side हो गया. Similarly you come to the buy side, all the expenses. इधर क्या बोल रहा है, salaries का देखो 14,000 salaries दिया हुआ है. वो बोलता है buy salaries 14, इसमें problem में दिया for the year 2014-15, that is current year, salaries outstanding amounted 1,000. The salaries paid during current year include 3,000 for last year also. तो हम क्या करेंगे, current year का हम क्या करेंगे, add करेंगे, add outstanding, and last year का क्या करेंगे हम, less करेंगे. Please remember this. Anything of the last year less it, current year add it, next year का भी less करेंगे. बस only we take for the current year. Then buy general expenses, to general expenses. Buy stationery, to stationery. Buy newspapers, to newspaper. Buy bid. So, and depreciation he said calculate on the year. He says what? On 1st January the club owned building valued 1 lakh, furniture 10. So club is having opening में A है. So all this opening will come again in the closing. Closing में building आएगा 1 lakh, furniture आएगा 10,000 and books आएगा 10,000. And buildings के ऊपर depreciation 10% बोलता है. So what you have to take in the closing? Buildings ले, books ले लो, additions करो. Furniture ले लो, additions करो. Buildings का depreciation करके you write in the expenditure side as to depreciation on buildings. So this. Then because he has given you the capital fund, वो capital fund इधर आ जाएगा. Instead of preparing the opening balance sheet, we will take the capital fund directly here. And in the income side, income minus expenditure, we get the surplus. वो surplus हम क्या करेंगे? Add कर देंगे. Then we get here. This is how it will tally. So this is all. Any questions anyone having, please chat with me and let me know. So this is how they will give receipts and payments. You have to prepare income and expenditure normally and the closing balance sheet. अगर वो नहीं दिया आपको capital fund, तो opening balance sheet की जरूरत होगी. So we have already done that. So receipts and payment. So this is also another receipts and payments. Two balance brought in this. What he says, he is asking you to prepare income and expenditure account only, nothing. One more person, sir. Okay. Prashant Kumar says it is slightly fast. फिर से हम about advance. So Singh भी बोलेंगे. हम ये problem देखो. I will explain you. Two balance brought down. Opening balance sheet में आ जाएगा. But he is not asking you to prepare opening balance sheet because he is asking only income and expenditure. So two balance brought down opening balance sheet asset side में आएगा. अभी छोड़ दो. So two donations 35,000. ये donations के बारे में क्या बोला? इधर capitalize the donation बोला. So two donations will not come as by donations. It will come in the closing balance sheet liability side. Okay, Prashant Kumar could not follow. What you did not follow, Prashant Kumar, you please message me. I'll explain you what you could not follow. आपको जो नहीं समझ में आया वो बोलो. I will explain you. Donation 35 बोला. Problem में बोलता capitalize the donation. That means it is not a revenue income. It is a capital expense, capital income. Don't take it to the income side. Shivashish, when I take the class, you can ask your doubts, but you for the time being you chat में लिखो. मेरे को समझ में आएगा तो आपको क्या चाहिए. But once the question answer session starts, I'll explain you once again clearly. Shivashish. So donations cover 2 membership fees 1,200. So by membership fees लिख दो 1,200. 2 entrance fees है. तो by entrance fees आ जाएगा. इधर कुछ नहीं बोला ना. So 2 and by. Subscription again 13, 14, 14, 15, 15. We are doing for 13. We are doing for what? 15, 14, 15. तो 14, 15 का इनकम में आएगा. ये 1400 लास्ट ईयर का है, ओपनिंग एसेट में आएगा. ये नेक्स्ट ईयर का क्लोजिंग लायबिलिटी रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस। सेल ऑफ फर्नीचर, लास्ट क्लास में भी आपको बोला फर्नीचर वैल्यू 2000 है, आपने 1650 को बेच दिया, सो 2000 का 1650 को बेचने से क्या हो गया, हमारे को लॉस हो गया। तो इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर में हम दिखाएंगे इधर, ये देखो ये लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ 2000 का 1615 को आपने बेचा तो 350 लॉस होगा, इट विल कम टू द एक्सपेंडिचर साइड। then buy furniture, it will not come to the expenditure side because it is a asset है, ये asset है तो expenditure में नहीं आएगा, balance sheet asset। buy rent and taxes, 2 rent and taxes आएगा। buy salaries, it will come as 2 salaries। buy printing and stationery will come as 2 printing and stationery। buy scholarship, it will come as 2 scholarship received। then buy newspapers, it will come as 2 newspapers। buy government bonds, bonds is not an expenditure, it's an asset। government bonds बोलते like debentures and all investments है, it will come to the closing asset side। so buy books purchase, books is also an asset, it will not come to the expenditure side। तो ऐसा होगा, तो rent and taxes, salaries, printing, outstanding, stationery, बस वो सब। फिर ये सब क्या आएंगे, देखो इधर लॉस एंड देंगे करंट ईयर का लॉस एंड सेल ऑफ फर्नीचर शोन ऑन इनकम साइड हम बता दिया। So he is just asked only income and expenditure। But यदि अगर ये प्रॉब्लम करना है तो we'll do once again, फिर से मैं रिपीट करेगा आपको। Second account gives the following receipts and payments for the year। So he is asking us to prepare income and expenditure, closing opening balance sheet, because he has asked you to prepare the balance sheet। So opening balance sheet की जरूरत है। So opening balance sheet में क्या आएगा, two balance will come to the opening asset side। सिंह देखो ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट ऑलवेज विल कम टू द ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड में आ जाए। सो 2 सब्सक्रिप्शंस है, यू टेक इट टू द इनकम साइड एज बाय सब्सक्रिप्शंस। 2 इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट्स है, बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट्स। 2 इंटरेस्ट ऑन डिपॉजिट्स है, बाय इंटरेस्ट ऑन डिपॉजिट्स ले लो। 2 एंट्रेंस फीस है, बाय एंट्रेंस फीस ले। लेकिन क्या है इसमें, हाफ ऑफ द एंट्रेंस फीस कैपिटलाइज बोला तो इसमें आधा इनकम में ले लो, आधा लायबिलिटी साइड में ले लो। ओके ये हो गया ये पॉइंट तुम्हारे को। देन बाय सैलरीज है तो यू टेक एज 2 सैलरीज। बाय रेंट है यू टेक इट एज 2 रेंट। बाय रिपेयर्स यू टेक इट एज 2 रिपेयर। ऑल एक्सपेंसेस रेवेन्यू नेचर, रेवेन्यू रिकरिंग एक्सपेंसेस विल कम टू द एक्सपेंडिचर्स है। जिम इक्विपमेंट, इक्विपमेंट इज एन एसेट, हम ये डेली नहीं खरीदते इक्विपमेंट, सो इट विल कम टू द क्लोजिंग लायबिलिटी साइड, एसेट साइड। बाय जिम इट विल नॉट कम टू, इट विल कम टू द बैलेंस शीट एसेट। By investments, it is not an expenditure, asset side। By balance carried down also is not an expenditure, it will come to the asset side। So ऐसा होता है। Then subscription received में क्या बोलते हैं, included 1000 of the previous year। ये जो भी subscriptions है आप इनकम में लिख के anything of the previous year देखो, anything of the previous year हम क्या करेंगे, less for the previous year करेंगे। previous year करके less करके ये क्या करेंगे, 1000 ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड में लिखेंगे कि आने का है सब्सक्रिप्शन आउटस्टैंडिंग। और क्या बोलता है, आउटस्टैंडिंग फॉर द करंट ईयर बोला, तो करंट ईयर का हम क्या करेंगे, इधर ऐड करके विल ऐड इट हियर एंड विल शो इट एज व्हाट इन द सब्सक्रिप्शन आउटस्टैंडिंग इन द एसेट साइड। सो लाइक दैट इट विल कम। सो एनीवे सैलरीज का एनीथिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग हम क्या करेंगे, ऐड करके एसेट साइड में लिखेंगे। इनकम आउटस्टैंडिंग एसेट साइड है, एक्सपेंडिचर आउटस्टैंडिंग लायबिलिटी है। इनकम ऑफ लास्ट ईयर लेस करके हम क्या करेंगे, ओपनिंग एसेट में लिखेंगे। एक्सपेंडिचर ऑफ द लास्ट ईयर लेस करके ओपनिंग लायबिलिटी, ओपनिंग लायबिलिटी ओपनिंग एसेट। आउटस्टैंडिंग करंट ईयर का ऐड करके क्लोजिंग एसेट, इधर एक्सपेंडिचर क्लोजिंग लायबिलिटी। एनीथिंग ऑफ नेक्स्ट ईयर बोलते इधर लेस करके क्लोजिंग लायबिलिटी, इधर लेस करके क्लोजिंग एसेट्स, लाइक दैट ऐसा आएगा। एनी डाउट इज दैट प्लीज लेट। So this is how it will come। This is तो कैपिटल, इधर ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट करने से हमारे को क्या आता, द बैलेंस ऑल एसेट्स माइनस लायबिलिटीज इज कैपिटल फंड। वो कैपिटल फंड हम क्या करेंगे, लायबिलिटी साइड को डालेंगे, इधर लाएंगे, इधर डालना। फिर इधर का सरप्लस क्या करेंगे हम, इधर का सरप्लस 6600 लेके वो भी उसको ऐड करेंगे, दैट विल बी योर टोटल। अगर होना तो you can add this 400 also to the capital fund ऐड भी कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो सेपरेट भी डाल सकते हैं. एंड आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरीज टोटल लायबिलिटी साइड. I'll just ask them to, if they come, Nageshwar Rao, if you are there, you can just put it to the question answer session because they have lot of doubts. I think I'll clear their doubts. Prashant Kumar did not. Sir, why we take entrance fees half? Why we take entrance fees half? देखो, आप इधर देखो क्या बोलता है आपको? See, इधर क्या बोला? Half of the entrance fees has to be capitalized बोला. So 2 entrance fees 800 में half of to be capitalized बोलता, half income में लेना, half you have to take it at the income side. इधर देखो, half इधर ले लेना 400 और एक आधा you should take it to the liability. Whenever he says half capitalized बोलो तो आधा उधर आधा. Entire amount capitalized बोलो तो वो income में नहीं आएगा. It will come to only to the liability side. Okay? इधर बोला देखो, half of the entrance fees has to be capitalized. Anything? Okay, you understood. Okay. Any other doubt is there? Keep your doubts, all of you ready. The moment I'll ask Nageshwar to keep it open for a question answer session. That would be very interesting so that I can clear all your doubts. Anyone having, please share in the chat box. I'll try to clear. Sir, we take entry. Sir, also books adjustment. Okay, books adjustment इसमें क्या है? ये problem में नहीं है ना, books adjustment. 1 minute. I'll just see. Books. इधर देखो, इधर क्या दिया? This problem is the club is owned of 1 lakh furniture 10,000 books. Opening में 10,000 उनके पास books है already. अभी और एक books कितना खरीदा वो 8,000. So total books will be how much? Opening का 10,000 and purchases. So आपके पास कितने हैं? Opening का 10,000 और additions भी 8,000. So total होगा 18,000. Like that you have to write. उन्हें opening का दिया 10,000. अभी यदि आप सोचो आपके पास 10,000 के बुक्स yesterday कल आपके पास 10,000 थे, आज आप 8,000 खरीदे, तो आज शाम में आपके पास कितने रहेंगे? 10,000 कल के और आज के 8,000, तो टोटली 18,000 वर्थ बुक्स रहेंगे. तो वैसा एडजस्टमेंट करना है बुक्स का. अबाउट 10% इन्वेस्टमेंट. ओके, 10% इन्वेस्टमेंट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू. गुड. इधर क्या बोलता देखो, ये बोलता जिम इज हैविंग 10% इन्वेस्टमेंट्स बोला 50,000. तो ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट में हम लिखेंगे इन्वेस्टमेंट 10%. आपने इन्वेस्टमेंट किया 50,000. इन्वेस्टमेंट हम किधर भी फ्री में नहीं करते ना, तो 10% इंटरेस्ट आने का है. एवरी ईयर वी शुड गेट 50,000 के ऊपर 10%, फिर 5,000 आना है. लेकिन आपको कितना आया इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट? खाली 4,000 आया. इन द रिसिप्ट साइड he said टू इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आपको खाली 4,000 आया, लेकिन आपको आने का 50,000 के ऊपर 10% 5,000, लेकिन आया 4,000. तो हम क्या करेंगे? इधर हम लिखेंगे 4,000 आया है और आने का है 1,000, टोटल 5,000. जो आने का है अगेन आई विल शो इट इन द क्लोजिंग एसेट साइड. इंटरेस्ट ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट आने का है. यस. और क्या बोलते हैं? सर प्लीज एक्सेस सब्सक्रिप्शन ऑफ ऑल. यस, ओके, इट्स ओके सर, बट आई नीड सम प्रैक्टिस टू सॉल्व अबव myself, then I will be satisfied. Okay, Prashant, you have my number. I hope you have got my number. If not, my number is, you can ask 9866003883. I'm sending you my number. You can call me. Any doubt is there, I will explain you. Okay, that will be better for you. When you solve yourself, you can clear your doubt. That is about books adjustment I did, subscriptions I did. We'll see. Shivashish, you keep your doubts ready. You are not messaging me. If you message, I will know it. Okay, right. Thank you. No issues. Last time also I gave my number. In any case, you just see. Then you have doubts. Any questions? Any chat box में लिखो भाई, please. All of you, I'll clear your doubts. Oh yeah, they will come another 1 or 2 minutes, sir. They will come at 4 o'clock. it will be open for question answer session. Then I'll clear all your doubts clearly. Please don't hesitate to ask any number of doubts. So that opening at gym. So any opening asset will come back to the closing asset set and we'll write it here clear. Like that. शिवाशीष आपका कुछ डाउट है तो चैट करो. Send me in the chat box. I'll see. Nageshwara, if you are there, you can leave us a gift for questions because many people are having some doubts. I'll clear their doubts. I've done with the problem only. Yes. Sir, I also need your number. Okay. Who is this? Avinash. If you can hear me, all of you can take my number 98 Avinash. My number is 98 66 00 3883. Wait, I will just write it on the board. You can see that. All can have this my number and clear your doubts. Nine 866 00 3883. Is it clear? All of you, can you see my number? 986600. Okay, right. You got it, my number. No issues. You can keep it and can call me whenever you have doubt. I will answer your queries. Sanjeev Kumar, your doubt. Yes. Nageshwara, if you can
yes,
open.
sir, I'll unmute, sir.
Yeah, please.
Subhashish Mandal, please unmute.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Sir, I am asking about, sir, outstanding for the year 2013-14 of rupees 2,500 as subscription outstanding, sir.
Subscription, see anything outstanding, so Sanjeev, anything outstanding current year ka add karke, you should show it in the closing balance sheet asset side. Aane ka hai na, if it is outstanding, we have to add it and show it in the asset side. Anything.
Yes, sir. Sir, that's outstanding words for the year 2013-14, but we are doing for the year
13-14 ka nahi lena. 13-14 you should not take it. 13-14 is last year. 14-15 because we are doing for the current year 14-15 only you should take. 13-14 will come in the opening asset side because वो last year का a year आया बोलता तो last year आने का a year आया आपको तो last year का asset होगा.
That's when, sir, ignore it, sir.
Ignore because we are not doing opening balance sheet.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next, Sanjeev Kumar, please unmute.
Yes.
Sanjeev Kumar, please unmute.
Yes.
Okay.
Next, RB 8365, please unmute. Yeah, please, Ajay Singh, please unmute.
सर एडवांस लास्ट ईयर के एडवांस के बारे में बताएं सर.
लास्ट ईयर का जो भी ये रिसीव करे ना, लास्ट ईयर का इनकम अगर ये रिसीव करे तो लास्ट ईयर का इनकम ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट एसेट साइड में लिखना है बिकॉज लास्ट ईयर जो आने का है वो अभी आ रहा है तो लास्ट ईयर का आने का था ना तो एसेट में होगा. सिमिलरली अगर लास्ट ईयर का कुछ भी ये ईयर पे करे आप लास्ट ईयर का सैलरी ए ईयर पे करे तो लास्ट ईयर पे करने का ए ईयर पे कर रहे तो लास्ट ईयर लायबिलिटी में आ जाएगा, ओपनिंग बैलेंस शीट लायबिलिटी।
नहीं तो इस साल में हमको प्लस करना है कि इस साल का हम इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर बना रहे हैं तो करंट ईयर का, तो उसमें प्लस करना है या माइनस करना है?
लास्ट ईयर का माइनस कर रहा है, एनीथिंग फॉर लास्ट, ये याद रखो, मैं आई विल वेरी क्लियरली आई सेड ये ईयर का इनकम में करंट ईयर का जोड़ना है, जो भी करंट ईयर आने का वो जोड़ो, लास्ट ईयर का लेस करो एंड नेक्स्ट ईयर का भी लेस करना। इनकम में जो लास्ट ईयर का लेस कर देना, लास्ट ईयर का लेस करके ओपनिंग एसेट में दिखलाना और नेक्स्ट ईयर का लेस करके क्लोजिंग लायबिलिटी में दिखाना, बिकॉज दैट इज इनकम रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस। नेक्स्ट ईयर का ए ईयर आए तो इट इज रिसीव्ड इन एडवांस लायबिलिटी में दिखाओ, और लास्ट ईयर का जो आने का ए ईयर आए तो माइनस करके ओपनिंग एसेट में दिखना। ओनली करंट ईयर का जोड़ना है ए ईयर इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर, बिकॉज इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर इज ओनली फॉर द करंट ईयर। वैसा
Next, RP 865, please unmute. RP 8365, please unmute. Yeah, next Galaxy J8, please unmute.
हेलो सर।
यस प्लीज।
सर मेरा एक डाउट है कि इंट्रेंस फीस और डोनेशन अगर कैपिटलाइज नहीं है लिखता है तो कहाँ लेंगे?
इनकम में ले लेना। अगर देखो एंट्रेंस फीस तो इनकम में ले लो, कभी भी कुछ नहीं बोला तो, कैपिटलाइज बोलो तो लायबिलिटी। अगर डोनेशन में आपको क्या बोल रहा हूँ, अगर डोनेशन बड़ा अमाउंट है सोचो तो इनकम में नहीं लेना, लायबिलिटी में ले लो। अभी कोई डोनेशन पूछता, कोई पूछे तो हम 10-15 रुपए दे देंगे, अगर 10,000 देंगे तो बड़ा अमाउंट होता, दैट बिग अमाउंट इज ए स्पेसिफिक अमाउंट करके लायबिलिटी में ले लो।
पूरा ले लेंगे सर?
पूरा ले लेंगे।
ठीक, थैंक यू सर, यही डाउट था सर।
Yeah, sir, no more queries, sir.
No more questions. Okay. Were there in the chat box, I answered their queries and all. Anyone having still doubt, they can query.
Sir, I think we can wind up. There are no more queries, sir.
Okay.
So, on behalf of the academy, I thank all the participants. I also thank the speaker of the day, Sri Vijay Kumar Garu. Just to remind again, we'll be back with this topic on Monday. The session will start at 14:45 hours login time, and the session will start at 15 hours. Thank you, one and all.